Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to make this finger ring holder. This looks so cute and it doesn't take much space. You can keep it on your side table or on your dressing table. We will use any waste cardboard and try to cut a square piece out of it. Any waste cardboard will do. And then we'll turn it into a cone shape like this. And then using stapler pin it up. This acts as a mold. So this is how the cone is ready. Only up till the uniform part we can pour in the content, or if you want you can trim this edge as well. So the basic cone is ready now. I think so we'll need our white cement, a bowl to mix, some water. To mix I will just use this ice cream stick. Take a few spoons, like 2 to 3 spoons. To this add some water and make it into a moderate paste. Not too runny, not too thick. We will then add this mixture into the cone we prepared. Try to hold shape by placing some objects on the side and then allow it to dry for 24 hours. Once it is dried for 24 hours, we will now remove this sheet and see how it looks. So the basic structure is ready. Now we'll use sandpaper and just sand on top so that it creates a smooth surface. Once the sanding is complete, it looks like this. You can just keep it as is or you can color it. I am using Fevicryl acrylic color. I am using pearl metallic gold. You can use any color of your choice. Once it's dried, it looks like this. Looks pretty, right? It doesn't take much space as well. You can also keep it on your nightstand or side table, and you can put your finger rings on it, and morning you can use. Some people have a habit to keep it in the night and then wear it morning back. So hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.